If you need to change the phone number associated with your Epic Games account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your existing credentials. Make sure you have access to the email link to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to the password and security section. In the account settings, look for the password and security tab. Click on it to access the security settings where you can manage your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the phone number section and click on the option to change or update your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, such as entering the code sent to your new number. Step 5. Save changes. After successfully updating your phone number, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.